Welcome to Jackal DIY and Tech. In this DIY video, I made a project a few years back. It's a pot stirrer. It needs this whirring gear, motor. You can choose which one do you want based on your needs. I have a power supply. In this case, I was able to adjust the amps and the voltage, and then adjusting the voltage increases the speed of the motor. As you can see, this was the in-between. I just used a stainless steel rod and this coupler with a stick at the end, and afterwards I've used some stainless steel flat bar and welded it together. So for this you do need a welder, and everything needs to be made from stainless steel if you want this to be used for cooking. In this case the pot stirrer is made to cook marmalade, which I think Americans call jam, but I don't think those are the same. In this case, I made this specifically for this pot that you see. If you want to make this adjustable, you'll have to do some more DIY if you want to have a custom adjustable solution, which at that point I have no idea how you do an adjustable blade. Now I don't have any more footage, so that will be it for this DIY video. And if you want to see more DIY and tech content, subscribe to the channel and let me know what you want to see. And we'll do something else in the next video.